Today, we will learn to use the onLoad event in JavaScript. OnLoad event can be triggered by a body tag or any element loading content from external sources, such as an iframe, image, link or style. First of all, create a new text file and change its extension to HTML. Now, open it inside any text editor. We are using Visual Studio Code, which is available at Microsoft Store for free. Create the HTML head and body tag, which are the basic tags of HTML page. Create a title tag inside the head tag, for the title of your HTML page. This title will appear on browser window. Create a heading tag, to display the title inside the HTML page. Create a division tag inside the body tag to display information. Run the code and see if everything works as it should. Create a style tag inside the head tag to set the color of heading to red. The color of heading is now red. Inside the head tag, create a script tag to write the JavaScript code. Define a function named loaded, which will be called each time an HTML element is loaded. Using document.getElementById, access the division tag in the body tag. However, first you need to define the ID for the division tag. The same ID will be used in the JavaScript to access the element. Use the innerHTML property to expand the text inside the division tag. We will add text to the existing text of division tag. The break line tag is used to add another line. We will add, the element has finished loading after existing content in new line. This JavaScript function must also be added to the onLoad event of an element, to trigger the function. Now, every time the body tag is loaded, the loaded function will be called. As desired, the division tag has new line, confirming that the body tag has loaded. However, it does not tell which element has loaded. To do that, we need to add parameters to our function. Now, the loaded function asks for the name of the element as well. We must provide the name of the element every time we use the loaded function. We will also add this element name parameter to the text appended in the division tag. to display the name of the element. It clearly says now that the body element has been loaded. Let's use the same onLoad event to confirm if the style tag has loaded or not. Now it confirms that both style and body elements have been loaded. Let's add break tag to start at new line every time. This is much better. Each confirmation is in a separate line. Let's try onLoad event on an iframe. An iframe can load external web pages. We will try to load Wikipedia page. Place the onLoad event inside iframe tag. Type in the Wikipedia, or any other website address, as the source for iframe. Close the iframe tag, and run the code to see what happens. Iframe has been loaded, and status is also visible in the division tag. Finally, let's test the onLoad event on an image tag. Place the onLoad event trigger inside the image tag. Provide a URL for the image you want to load. We will take a random image from Wikipedia homepage as source for our image tag. Paste here the URL for the image. Close the image tag, and run the code. This is how the onLoad event is used in HTML and JavaScript. Please feel free to ask any question, or leave a feedback in the comments section below.